Y'all stand by.
Hey, how y'all doing today?
Good. Why are you driving like that?
Huh?
Why are you driving like that? There's kids out here playing.
Yeah, they got
Kids right over there in the street playing.
Okay. What's going on here today?
Nothing.
So why were y'all walking through a private parking lot earlier?
Didn't walk through a private property.
Okay. Like I said, I got a call. Said you were walking through the parking lot. I don't know what's going on fully.
Okay.
Obviously, y'all have cameras out. You're recording.
Of course.
I'm just asking what's going on.
Okay.
There's no big deal.
Well, I mean,
The way you came screaming across that parking lot, I thought there was a big deal. I think that's a call for backup.
Huh?
I think they have to call for backup.
Who
I was fixing to have to call for backup.
are you to call for backup?
I can call for backup.
So like y'all just out here recording, or what's going on?
It's historic area of town. We're just out here walking around, taking a look around. We haven't been on their property. If he told you that we were on the property, go get a signed affidavit, and I'll file on him for perjury.
if you want to arrest us for trespass, go ahead. We got video of the whole thing. But
Yep.
No, let's do that. Let's do that. Let's have him say that we were on the property. Let's go that route.
Yeah.
Let's do that. We were on property. If that's what he's saying, then I guess that must be the truth, is it?
I'm just trying to figure out what's going on. So y'all, you just walk around here.
He wants you to sign an affidavit.
I haven't said anything like that.
You gonna sign an affidavit saying that we were on the property? Because that's perjury.
Yeah, tell him.
That's a felony in this
sign
state.
a complaint and tell him we were on property.
Yeah.
That's
Do
what
it. I dare you to do it.
Do it.
I've got a body camera that's been running for the last 2 hours, and it'll show that I never got on that property.
What was your name, sir?
Officer Coughlin.
Who? Coughlin? Okay.
You remember the Giants head coach? Like the old Giants head coach Coughlin? Like,
Not a football fan.
Oh, okay. Well, I was trying to give you a little reference.
Oh, okay.
Bad number B97.
Okay, awesome. You got anybody else coming?
All of them want to do it.
Oh yeah, there's another one.
Look, we don't have to block the traffic.
Block too much traffic. There ain't too much traffic.
This is so hilarious.
This is stupid.
Are you serious?
This is stupid. So now these guys are out here wasting their time when they could be out finding criminals. Because you're going to lie to them and say we were on the property. You see that body camera? It's been running for 2 hours. I dare you sign an affidavit saying I was on that property. I dare you. Please do. Hi.
What a liar. I can't believe he said we were on property. That's hilarious.
That's why we run the body cameras.
Hey,
Because the camera doesn't lie.
Hey, you want to go to dictate me? You want to hold me until then?
I don't have a reason to.
Well, if he said we were trespassing, and I would love for you to touch me. You want to touch me?
Well, I don't love touching people unless I have to touch them.
You want to touch me?
If I don't have to, no sir.
He's being silly. He's just playing.
I'm just
He's just
playing.
playing. What's your name?
Smith, Officer Smith.
Hi.
Nice to meet you, Smith.
Like Smith and Jones? Is that your real name or is that like an alias?
What do you mean? We can't lie on our names.
Okay.
Well, that's true. That is true.
I was trying to think of something funny to say, but I just couldn't come up with anything. All right.
How long have you been with
So what are you
HPD?
guys doing out here?
It's a historic area of town. There's a
Yeah.
lot of new construction.
It is.
We're just walking around taking pictures. We saw this Amazon facility, which is new to me. I hadn't seen it before. We were just taking a look at it. This guy freaked out.
You
That's-
guys live in that area?
That's all it is. He freaked out and he's lying, saying we were on the property.
Yeah,
So
we're from the area. What about you? Are you local?
Like right here, you mean?
No, are you local?
Yes.
Oh, so you live in this area neighborhood?
This is not my neighborhood, but
So, obviously, y'all know what y'all are doing. Y'all know that y'all are on the sidewalk. Y'all know y'all haven't violated any laws at all. Clearly.
But you said that he said he was in
hold
the
on, hold
park.
on, let him talk.
No, I'm just saying.
I said I got a call,
And then you said-
and call slips are very non-descriptive. It
Okay.
said 2 males with video cameras out here. I went and talked to him to get the full other police story.
But you were
He
talking
said-
to him first before you talked to
I
him
pulled
the second
up
time.
and I said, he said they're down there. That's all he said. I'd come make contact. Now I was away for backup because I knew I had people coming to where I can go get the full other story.
Okay.
Where he said you were never on the property, you were just
Great.
walking down
Great.
with your video cameras, and he thought that was strange. So he called. We showed up. Just remember that nothing happened. Y'all, everyone's fine. Everyone's free to go. So
Okay.
y'all have a merry rest of the day. I'm gonna say Merry
Wait, so
Christmas a little bit late.
Will we be detained? Oh,
Well, be careful because there's some kids playing on that side street over there.
Okay.
Please be careful driving
Oh
over
yeah,
there.
of course.
I can't see. Remember reading over there to
It's just that first street right there.
Just be very careful, guys.
Y'all have a good night.
Yeah, y'all be careful too. Y'all try to stay warm. Hey, is this supposed to snow tomorrow or today?
Later this morning.
There we go.
Yep.
Hey, be careful.
Hey,
All right.
Hey, I was gonna say you are.
Wait, traveling north.
What do you say that, sir?
Dude, working with her? Dude, come on. Hey, you need to be hanging out with her.
I'm a married man.
Okay. Yeah, but we know, you know, on the off time and having a good old time at the swinger bars, we get it. You're fine.
Yeah.
All right. Have a good night. Dude, he was hauling ass to that.
I know, I saw
parking
it.
lot. He was gunning it.
I know.
Oh, don't forget the seatbelt. Oh, always.
Yeah, guys, that's we're fixing to. All right, Patrick, crisscross. We gotta hurry.